पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We had seen in our previous classes that the first chapter of the Madhu Kand is based on Adhyaroop and second chapter will be based on Apavad. So, on the self there is a superimposition of the Srishti. And later on in the second chapter that will be negated. In this topic of Adhyaroop, you heard that three kinds of upasanas were mentioned in the three Brahmanas. Brahmanas means sections through which you know the Brahma is called Brahmana. Yaya Brahma Janati Sadhaka iti Brahmana. So here Varna Brahman is not mentioned. Caste Brahman is not the intention. So in the topic of Upasana, you saw why Upasana is required. I have been emphasizing from the beginning that Upasana is the beautiful technique through which you get out of the mind which gives you sorrow. I am sad because I feel I am alone. I am sad because I feel that on this matter nobody is there with me. Either I have a smallness of mind or a smallness of faith or a smallness of understanding. Some smallness is dwelling in my mind and therefore I am trying to make the upasana effective. Okay. Anytime we are sad, please check what I am thinking is small. And if you are thinking, there is a habit to think and therefore we need a upasana at that particular time. That particular time we have to substitute with a bigger thought or a bigger faith. You know, all these things which was mentioned, he is behind mantras, he is behind nourishment. It is to tell that the world is not only full of energy. This world is the one who is having the welder of all energies also. Science sees the world as Shakti. And Vedanta will also bring the Shakti-shali aspect. That Shakti-shali aspect which is knowing all, which was mentioned by the word as Prana in the last Brahman. Okay, so his Shakti is there, he can take away the Shakti, give the Shakti, he can make you powerful, he can make you powerless. That Prana is being praised for what? I am repeating it, for building our faith. Number one, building our character. Number two, character means living calm krodh and understanding. So after that is done, there are two kinds of seekers. One seeker is doing it, he is seeing the prana as Ishwar and wants bhakti, vairagya and jnana. Okay, seeker has only nothing more he wants. He wants bhakti, jnana and vairagya. This is called mumukshu seeker or sadhaka. He is also upasak. So he does not want any other lok, or he doesn't want any big luxuries. Although he has done same amount of sadhana. So what he wants two things. He wants a subtle intellect to have Brahmakara Vritti and conducive situation of Guru Upadesh, Sharir Shanti and Sambandhi Shanti. He wants there should be no one to trouble me. He wants a situation where no relatives are obstructing my sadhana, no person is obstructing my sadhana, I have no money problem, I have no health issues, so that I can employ myself in the Shravanam which I will get through some capable teacher. So two way he wants. Inside he wants Shat Sampatti, Shraddha, etc. And outside he wants a very conducive sadhana friendly environment. Meditation friendly, Shravan friendly, Manan friendly environment. And therefore he does the upasana. You remember that Hiranyagarbha can give you anything. So this is the first point. Other seeker is there who does not want this phal, which this Gyan Vairagya, he wants Prajapatitva phal. He wants to go to the Pad. Pad means what? Padyate iti, that which is attained. He wants a position of Prajapati. He wants a identification with very big. Now, he goes there and he will become Brahma, he can become Indra, he can become Surya. All devtas are very highly evolved and Jiva. Now with this knowledge we had, but I am repeating it, original Hiranyagarbha is Bhagavan only, Ishwar only. Temporary Hiranyagarbha Pad is Brahma or Ajiv. So when you use the word Shiv or Lord Vishnu, so they are original Hiranyagarbha. That means their status is not losable. Rather, they alone are operating through the Brahma. And even if Brahma is not there, they can go ahead. Now, this was the synopsis of the last section called Pran Upasana. Now I am coming to the next portion. What is said in that? So in this, we were discussing limitation of Hiranyagarbha Pad. When it said Hiranyagarbha means all Pad lower than that. When Hiranyagarbha Pad also has a limitation, what to say of all lower Pad? They all will also have limitation. So what are the limitations there? So number 1 point, that Hiranyagarbha is not yet out of samsara problem. And therefore it will be told in the first mantra, he had fear and he had arati. Arati means loneliness. Lo. तो हमको लगा हमारी प्रॉब्लम है. He has bhay and he has arati. I will come to it. These two things are governing factors in the world. You know why a person marries? Because of this cause. Why I want to have relatives? Why I am happy when my mama is there, chacha is there? Because I was lonely. Loneliness, you know, na? It's a typical expression. Shall I explain loneliness? Huh? Loneliness is an expression in which you have some kind of situation in that one I is there, aham is there. But you feel my desires are still unfulfilled. When you are in a situation, loneliness doesn't mean you are alone, nobody's around you. Loneliness is the unfulfilled desires, seeing no way to fulfill. This emotion is called loneliness. Again, place here. I am somebody. I had a desire to have something or someone. But I don't see any possibility of that desire being fulfilled. I have a I, which is a small I, and I have a conviction that somebody can make this I bigger. This is the flaw. But nobody is coming to make that I bigger. This is called loneliness. Okay. A wife can be lonely if the husband doesn't give her the I. Husband-wife relationship, it will be mentioned now. It has a meaning when husband gives me the I that I want from him. I don't want money, etc. That is another thing that I can only add. He can give me the I because I am a small I, and he can give me the I. I want to hear from him, you mean a world for me. So, कुछ तो बोलो ऐसा तभी तो अच्छा लगेगा ना. For me, you are everything. ऐसा कुछ सुनाओ. I will not go anywhere without you. No, go. An office trip is there in Europe. There's a meeting in London. But although office is given ticket for one person only, but I will not go without you. I can't imagine my life without you. ये सब अच्छा लगता है सुन के. So this gives the I to that wife. But supposing husband is there, husband is not equal to husband sukh. Got my point? Having a husband, having a wife, anything, having a children is not equal to joy from that. He is there, but he doesn't talk anything. Although he was given ticket for 2 people, but alone he went. So he didn't discuss with me also. He keeps himself all the time on the laptop. He comes and have tea and doesn't talk too much. I am asking question, he gives in monosyllable. How do you know in the office who is calling? When anybody else calls, we say hello, hi, how are you? You start with Hari Om. And when wife calls, So, typical expression is, So, hello bhi bolne ke liye. So, one who fulfills the identity, that takes the loneliness. Supposing I was loving somebody. Right? We were together. My wife, my husband, my father, anybody can be there. And he passed away or not there. Then loneliness will come. Because that person who was giving me that I is not there. But I wanted. अब आपको aloneliness बताते हैं. Gurudev used to differentiate aloneliness. When you are with that bigger I, okay, and you have no desire that anybody should give you some I, and you want that bigger I and you want to revel, that is called aloneliness. That is called ekantata. एक है अकेलापन. One is loneliness, अकेलापन. And one is एकांतता है. एकांत में रहते हैं ये. So these two words are there. And to get the big I, बोल दें, whole education system is for that. Don't think it is Brahmaji's problem. I was in class 1, I am going so that people should know I am in a bigger class. I am not past 10th class. I am now getting the bigger I. But after getting I feel it is smaller. There is some other bigger I. Then I felt that class 12th is now better. So I worked for class 12th. This race is going on. Then I felt it is so small. And then I want for graduation will give me that I. So without getting that I am lonely, therefore I am running around. Then I felt I should go for a job. Well, what about earning? What about earning? I am earning. Earning is one thing. But bigger than problem of earning is getting I rather than getting money. I'm telling you, you won't believe. Not much earning is required to live a very simple life. If you want to live a simple life, not that you have to earn millions, you can live. But others have such big standards of living. How will they see me if I have no proper lounge, no proper sofa set, no proper fridge, no proper room, no proper drawing room? वो तो दिखाना है भाई उनको ना. I have to show, otherwise how will people feel? They will sit on the floor or what? I need a proper house, how will I get a I? I am having a child because that child will give me the I. देखो खालीपन बना हुआ है. So I am only removing my loneliness. And this project will continue. Don't think it is going to end here. After I die, I will again go for next life to complete it. And bhaya is there. Bhaya, because, small I is threatened. Supposing somebody does something to me. That is called bhaya. Bhaya means I am now scared that this small I also I will lose. It is a losable I. Okay. So Brahmaji or Hiranyagarbha, it is said here, he has a samsar problem. This is called samsar. Remember samsar word I defined? Various I's, erratic, illogical, uncertain, insecure movement of I is called samsar. Samyak saranam. It is sleeping. And I don't know what I will be. I am right now very happy. After 2 hours, I don't know what my mood will be. I don't know my tomorrow, how I will be feeling, how I will be reacting. There is no stability in my I. I may be sitting in one room in mall, but I will be varying. Okay, this is called samsara. So 2 problems Brahmaji had. He had bhaya and aratihi. Okay. क्या स्टोरी है भाई. यही प्रॉब्लम हमारे. अच्छा, आफ्टर गेटिंग सच अ बिग पोजीशन, इफ आई एम अ स्मॉल पर्सन, ही गॉट आइडेंटिफाइड विथ सो बिग एंड स्टिल दैट प्रॉब्लम डिड नॉट गो. एंड सी दक्ष प्रजापति वॉज देयर, फादर इन लॉ ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा. यू नो द स्टोरी. फादर इन लॉ ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा, अब ही इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम, इन द सेम category as this Hiranyagarbha, very close to that. Everybody comes and everybody stood up. Shivji did not stand. Bhai, vidhi nishedh is for the karta. Shivji will not prostrate. You have never seen Shivji prostrating to anybody. You never say that Shivji is, offering namaskar to anybody. Or he lives as Brahman. Shivji's life is not only as Ishwar, he lives as Brahman. All alone in Kailash. All alone. There is no roof on the head also. Parvati ji one day, well, what is this? We have children, we have no roof. Shivji said, what can we do? Well, please get one house built. Well, Vishwakarma came, made very nice house in Kailash. He said, चलो भाई गृह प्रवेश करवाते हैं. किसको बुलाएं? Priest. बोले Ravan is the best priest. So Ravan did all the गृह प्रवेश पूजा. Shivji said, भाई दक्षिणा भी तो देना है. He said, आज दक्षिणा. Ravan said, house. अब बेचारे, all what hard work had done, it went into cold waters. Shivji did like that, nudged Parvati ji. देखा? कहा था? We are not meant to live under a roof. Because as I am outside, so I am inside. Shivaji is like, inside, outside, pair of opposite is there. कोई शांत अधिष्ठान of pair of opposite is Brahman. Adhishthan. He lives as Adhishthan. All pair of opposite is there. एक तरफ स्नेक है, एक तरफ पीकॉक है. कार्तिक जी had peacock. Shiv, the Parvati ji had, what is it called? Savari, the vehicle is there. Tiger is there. His savari is bull. Both are opposite. एक तरफ गंगा जी हैं, एक तरफ गंगा जी, एक तरफ उनकी सिस्टर इन लॉ, दोनों साथ हैं. What the point? Parvati ji also is come from Parvat and she also has come from Parvat. बहुत सी बातें क्या क्या सुनाया आपको. Shivaji's topic is different topic altogether. But I am telling there that he did not get up to greet. बोले कहाँ है? Who is other to greet? There is who one else to greet. Who will greet whom? अब Daksh got very upset. अब बताओ. अब you are seeing this loneliness. Lonely person is angry person. Anger is an expression of loneliness. His truncated, cut, unfulfilled I is equal to anger. One definition of anger I am giving you. Cut, truncated, unfulfilled, bleeding I. Oh my God. Bleeding कहाँ से रख दिया? Because it is inside, it is feeling that he took away. This took away, this post was gone, this person was gone. Why he get? Same problem now, this guy. चलो अब इनको डर लगा, भाई कोई है नहीं. डर क्यों लगा? What is the fear emotion? Let us analyze fear emotion. Each emotion you can have lot of thought. Fear is an emotion where that small I. Fear is not for the death of the body. Fear is of losing my loved I. Some identity I love. Fear is of losing that identity. We have no death. Fear, death se nahi hai. You know what fear is there? I am a father of this boy. I will lose this identity. Supposing arrangement is there, that next birth you will get same child again in the same form, same wife. बोले wife को अलग करवा दो भाई. नहीं, same wife or same husband. Same thing, same car you get. You will not have fear. Because I am going to lose the particular identity. Which identity? Loved identity. And world, is an identity killer. Kal means identity killer. I was working, now I got retired. So now my identity of chief, superintendent, engineer, whatever is there, chali gayi wo. Earlier car was there, 4 or 5 people were saluting also. Now I am bekar. I came to the camp, I had to listen about Sakar and Nirakar. Now that identity has gone. Salute bhi nahi koi karta. Earlier I was going to the office, at least 5-6 people were getting up saying, "Sir, how are you?" अब कोई फोन भी नहीं आता. कब तक टीवी देखें? भाई आइडेंटिटी चली गई हमारी. एक कहानी बड़ी लंबी है भैया. This problem exists at Hiranyagarbha level. What about you and me? माया के बड़े बच्चे हैं ये सब. भय is a particular emotion and it won't go. So this Hiranyagarbha had fear now. He said, कोई है नहीं, क्या करें then? Now what happened? He got frightened. अच्छा, all our work, people earn money. People have family, people have house. Why they earn money? Well, sometime if it is required, then who will give me the money? Only for two things we do all our work. Either I have to remove fear, house was made, person started living in the house. He earns money. Why? Because if I don't have money, who will give me if I need something? If I don't have relatives, who will be there for me? अच्छा, बोले car is required. Car is required because it gives me some identity, I can go faster somewhere. Whole pravritti, hospital for fear removal. Hospital, what is it called? Insurance policies. Medical insurance, life insurance. In the car also there is a child lock. Here you have child lock. Then you have one more lock. Earlier ambassador was there, cut, it was going. So you open like that, there was a gate. Now it automatically locks. And there is a main lock. The driver has a main lock. I don't know driving, but I see all these things. Okay. Burglar guards. Burglar guards, understand, no? Grill. What is it called? Grill. Too many locks. But for all this? Fear. सब कुछ पूरा है. बोले I should have at least children in my old days who will be there with me. हर जगह it is all pervading. And this Brahmaji had the same fear. But it is written here. He thought, why should I have fear? I will come back to this topic tomorrow or later on. He said, and he had the knowledge of the self through which he got out of fear. Other than knowledge of the self, nothing can take out. Therefore, second mantra is said, Dvitiyad vai bhayam bhavati. From something other than you will have fear. I will read it. First and second mantra, let me read it. So he got frightened and he had arati, two problems. Achha? Supposing lizard falls on you. I'm not talking about snake. Lizard is enough for us. Snake को क्यों लाएं? तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई. Scared? Why scared? I am scared. Because somebody may not do this to this body. This body is everything for me. Supposing you are sleeping, fast asleep. And now you are not knowing what is moving on your body. On the body, cockroach also may go, lizard also may go. है नहीं कोई possessor उसका. Samashti is the possessor of the body. Vyashti has gone. Fear नहीं है उस body को लेके. Identification is not there. It is the instinct to preserve the non-I expresses a fear. फिर से सुनिएगा. The instinct to preserve the wrong I, small I, preserve. Instinct to preserve the wrong or small I, not knowing the big I, this instinct is called fear. And more you want to preserve, more you will have fear. Rishikesh, one Mahatma was there. Rishikesh was a jungle 100 years back. Now it is a full-fledged city. Too much of noise. One Mahatma was walking, one lion came, both stood facing each other. Fear ही नहीं आया इनको. He said, listen, if you have to eat, eat me, because the purpose of this body has been completed. If not, because the way was very small, Pagdandi was there, pathway. He said, move away. Go in that area, because I can't go from this side. इतना fearlessness आ जाती है. That lion or tiger rolled, offered his namaskar and went away. I mean, don't think it is only in the books. You know, Jad Bharat, I told you, remember that? Something was falling, nothing happened to him. Because I have no small identity to preserve. When you know the self, I'm not going to preserve my imaginary identity. My shadow will go away. I'm not going to preserve my shadow. This is called Jnanam. Brahmaji had this. बोले हमको बहुत डर लगता अपने बच्चे को लेकर स्वामी जी. आई एम टू स्केयर्ड अबाउट माई सन. क्या होता है आपको? बोले होप ही विल ग्रो वेल एंड होप ही विल नॉट. बिकॉज योर आइडेंटिटी इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर सन. You have developed your identity, and therefore you don't want to lose that identity or get hurt by that identity. और क्या बात है आपको? बोले I'm very afraid nobody should take my money. Because you have identity with respect to that money. If you have no identity, then you will find you are fine. We have 100 branches of fear and 100 causes of fear. But the essence of fear is, I am small, world is big. Second has come now, and that this big can attack my small eye. And what Jnani will say, world is not there, it is on me. Snake, imaginary snake cannot kill the rope. Snake appearing on the rope cannot bite the rope. तो है ही नहीं, क्या करेगा? And therefore he is fearless. So Brahmaji got this knowledge. I will say Brahmaji means Hiranyagarbha, okay? He got this knowledge, and both the problem went away. Which problem? Fear and arati. Now let us read this first and second mantra so that you will get more insight over it. We are on website, but we need insight, Guruji says. So let us read this, page 162. In Hindi क्या बोलेंगे? 162. मराठी में क्या बोलेंगे? हाँ? एक सेम ही हो गया, तो मिलती जुलती है. प्लीज रीड. आत्मा एव इदम अग्रे आसीत् पुरुषविदः सोऽनुवीक्ष्य न अन्यद् आत्मनः अपश्यत् सोहम अस्मि इति अग्रे व्याहरत ततो अहम नामा अभवत् तस्माद् अपि एतत् तर्हि मंत्रितः अहम अयम इति एव अग्रे उक्त्वा अथ अन्यन्नाम प्रब्रूते यदस्य भवति स यत्पूर्वः अस्मात् सर्वस्मात् सर्वान् पाप्मनः औषत तस्मात् पुरुषः ओषति हवै स तं यः अस्मात् पूर्वः बुभूषति य एवं वेद. सेकेंड 166. सो बिभेत तस्माद् एकाकी बिभेति स ह अयम इक्षाम चक्रे यत्मद् अन्यत् नास्ति कस्मान्नो बिभेमीति तत एवास्य भयं वीयाय कस्माद्ध्यभेष्यद् द्वितीयाद्वै भवयं भवति. So it is written here. I'll just summarize the whole thing. I'm not going word by word, but I'll tell you the gist. So he got frightened and he had arati. He was getting lonely. बताओ इतने ऊपर हट के समस्या नहीं गई. So this is the limitation of that Hiranyagarbha. But without knowledge, don't forget this. It is possible some Brahma becomes Jnani. And this Brahma will become Jnani. And therefore these both the problems are, this will never end. देखो संतो सीकर आदमी कब बनता है? He feels I do anything in this world, my basic problem will be solved. You become a seeker when you feel even I get this position, I become president of whole world also, my fear and my loneliness won't go away. And to remove the loneliness, I want to be with somebody. किसी के साथ रहते हैं. Okay? अकेले नहीं रह सकते. Or if somebody is there, somebody should know me. I don't want somebody should just give me food and go away. कोई बातचीत तो करे, दुख सुख बांटे थोड़ा सा. उसके लिए हमने क्लब बनाया. हाँ, बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया, एनिवर्सरीज मनाई, ठीक है, दशहरा मनाया, होली मनाया, नवरात्र मनाया. अकेले तो रहने की दम नहीं थी. I didn't have the potency to be alone. चलो भाई सबके साथ जाएं जरा. I become a social bird. फैमिली में आज मैरिज है उनकी. चाचा जी इज डॉटर इज गेटिंग मैरिड. ओके, सो आई गो देयर. सब मिले, ऑल रिलेटिव्स आई मेट. ममेरे चाचाज फुफेरे जीजा, ऑल एवरीबडी आई मेट. जीजा जी, and the song started, drum started. I have no role to play, but I am sitting there. अरे आप आ गए, वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है, गले मिल गए, उनसे गले मिल गए. All are self-hiding process, sir. बच्चों कब तक बचोगे ऐसे? You are using the world to run away from your limited eye. अच्छा, अब क्रश तो ऊपर चला गया, काफी हाई में चले गए थे, नाच वाच भी हो गया. डांस ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड. ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का. देन आई डांस्ड ऑल्सो. हाँ, शादी हो गई, खत्म, वापस आ गए. Not rough will start. You know, Monday is the most depressing day in the whole world. in America, etc., Monday is the most depressing day. Because I went quite high on the weekend. अब फिर आए ऑफिस. कब तक भागोगे तुम? किससे? अपने से भागने के लिए यू आर यूजिंग समबडी. उसके लिए फोन आ गया, गैजेट्स आए. भाई फोन आ गया, very less work we do on the phone which is required. Office work or hospital work, there is use of the phone. Hospital work, office work, somebody is not well, I am talking to him. Most of the time I am using it to run away from me. It's an emotional matter. Phone is popular, mobile became popular. You know why? Because it is giving me, it is taking away my loneliness so called. अकेले थे, क्या करें? उनको फोन कर लिया, भाई कैसे हो? ठीक कह रहे हैं. अब तो फोटो भी आ गए उसमें. बोले वीडियो कॉल भी कर लो, आप देख लो. अमेरिका में माई सन इज इन अमेरिका. तो क्या करें? ही इज नॉट कमिंग. सो इसकी मम्मी आई वोंट कम, सो वी विल लेट अस ऑन द वीडियो कॉल. It will keep on saying connecting, reconnecting, but you have that. But you don't know that really because you are disconnected to that higher self, therefore all this gymnastic which you are doing is not going to help you. कब तक कौन आपके साथ रहेगा? And how much people will respond as per you? How long your son, daughter, husband, wife will respond and who will be with me? कब तक बचोगे तुम अपने स्मॉल आई से? Why don't you go to it directly and sort the matter out? Where? In चिन्मय विभूति. Why don't you go to the teacher? Teacher tackles this eye without a medium. बोले हटाओ रिलेटिव्स को सब. Please go out. Don't bring relatives, etc. Like the doctor enters in the hospital, this Indian hospital, surrounded by all the people. If doctor will come, बोले please move out. ये कहाँ से आ गए इन लोग? माता जी आप रो क्यों रही हैं? चलिए बाहर चलिए. Typical था. Badly she is crying. बोले what happened? अरे ही इज स्टिल देयर, हिल बी ओके. आप रोइए मत, चलिए बाहर चलिए. इन्फेक्शन लेके आ गए आप लोग. प्लीज मूव आउट. नर्स, हु अलाउड दिस पीपल? ओनली 2 आर अलाउड, 15 आर हियर. 15 वो देख नहीं रहे कि ही इज वीक, ही विल कैच इन्फेक्शन. व्हेन टीचर कम्स, ही सेड हटाओ सबको. Therefore in Gurukul, we don't have to live with our father, mother, etc. बोले हटाओ इनको पहले सब. In here also you are happy because you don't have anybody, right? Moment you come with husband, wife, children, here also there will be a problem. बोले लौकी में नमक नहीं था. He again will start that. Teacher deals with this eye. He said, अब आओ बताओ बच्चों ये है कौन है? Who is this eye? This eye is okay or that eye which is seeing this eye is okay? ये false eye है. जिंदगी और किसी का नाम नहीं है. बड़ी कंपनी चाहिए ना. टीवी आ गया. टीवी क्यों आया? अकेले बैठे थे, सुबह लगा देख लेते हैं. Film world came. Why? Why film came? Who discovered, who invented these movies? Songs कहाँ से आ गए? किस लिए songs आ गए इतने ढेर से? Entertainment क्यों आ गया? Stadium क्यों बन गया? You know, whole system is revolving around whom? Still problem is unsolved. कुछ भी कर लो. अमेरिका में चले जाओ, सिंगापुर में चले जाओ. हम तो जाते हैं. व्हेन आई गो, वेरी एक्सीलेंट कंट्री सिंगापुर साहब. You are neither. No crime. I went there, I was posted in Singapore. 2 o'clock in the night I used to walk. I saw girls are walking. डर ही नहीं, क्यों? क्राइम ही नहीं. Roads are shampooed. वो भी तो हैं. Roads, so clean road. सब कुछ इतना अच्छा. Everywhere beauty, greenery. You know that country, stress level is one of the highest in the world. Grass is greener on the other side. America हुआ ही है आप. Morning 7 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock you are slogging 2 hours. कुछ भी कर लो आप. This thing will not leave you. When you realize this, you become a seeker. He said, why for? Why should I go to seek somebody else's company? Gurudev, what is the problem? I have lost faith on a small eye. Then he says, Nahi prapashyami mamapanudyad yat shokamushoshanam indriyanam. I don't see any solution now. Then what is the solution? Give me the knowledge inside. And therefore Brahmaji is going for the knowledge again. Is it okay? If you don't believe, do anything. You can do any exercise. People go and see safari in Africa. South Africa has lot of safaris, lot of wild animals are there. क्या करोगे देख के उसको? Kruger National Park. In Kenya, what is that? Masai. कौन सा? हाँ? वहाँ भी गए लोग. Big 5, Big 10. Fortunately, unfortunately, I have no interest. All animals are inside, I feel. You can see whole day and night. Intoxicated elephant is there. Ferocious anger is there. क्या क्या नहीं है. Crooked fox is there. ऐसे सीकर नहीं बनता. ये नहीं कि मजबूरी का नाम हम आ गए यहाँ पे. Somebody forced me, I came and landed up in Vibhuti, you know. घर में कुछ काम नहीं था तो यहीं आ गए. दिमाग में बात आती है. How long I will avoid the real problem? And you keep on avoiding, it will be next birth, same thing will happen. Again you go through all exercises, whole world, whole life, 70 years, I did the same exercise. Wrong eye developing process. False eye developing process to remove my fear and loneliness. I invested 80 years and died. Go to the next now. इसी को संसार बोलते हैं. Then what shall I do? Why don't you address where problem is there? Problem is in eye. Why don't you go to the eye and address the problem? Why don't you go there where the problem is there? Yes, I will. And even when you get temporary solution while addressing the eye in the satsang hall, you don't meditate, you don't do jap, you don't do puja. While teacher is teaching, knowledge takes place at that time. And when you say, wow, ये तो quiet हो गया हमारा mind. If I can extend these hours by some means, that process through which you extend the words of the teacher is called sadhana. Then you see, this is the solution. क्या मिल गया यहाँ पे आपको? What you got here? There is no TV in your room. Not that you get very luxurious food. Not get somebody is there to praise you every day. What is the cause you are investing so much time here? What you get? No, I am more quiet here. Without anything, I don't need sufficient food. Very simple clothing, foods are required. Then what makes you quiet? I am not doing anything for a small I. I am working towards that big I. This was the limitation of Hiranyagarbha.